Don't wanna ever have to question if you're down for me. But when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, you let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. He gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time, I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual, yeah.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tyra D. Welcome back to the channel. I'm about to be resetting for the new year, and the first thing we need to do is get some silverware, because for some reason every time I go into my exactly, every time I go into my kitchen, my silverware is gone. So we're trying to get some. I really feel like I don't need spoons or knives, so if we could find something that's literally just forks. I don't know if that's possible. But we at Burlington, and if y'all ain't know, Burlington be having it all. I'm trying to see, this is cute, what they got up in here. Oh my, this whole time I thought I was recording and I was not.
Who you talking to?
Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, I'm saying, should we get the package of the package of forks, but we kind of low-key need some spoons too. So, okay, is it good? Oh my god.
You sure can't put it away.
Anyway, I'm trying to figure out if we should get, like, please. These are 6.
I'm lactose. It's gonna go down in this stuff.
Ew. Should we get this? This is forks and spoons. I feel like we should get these in. What's wrong with you? You crazy. Y'all, now we in Kroger. He's like a kid in a freaking candy store. This is ridiculous. What are you doing? They only got
I get the Starburst. Yeah.
These might be kind of good, those Starburst ones. Not both of them. Come on now, you don't need that. Okay. Why you didn't throw that away?
Because I'm so neat.
What? Look at him in the little jacket I got him. Yep, he better wear it everywhere. Every time we step outside.
That's how I let people know my girlfriend got it. I'm like, oh, you like the jacket? My girlfriend bought it.
Mm-hmm.
What you looking at? The jacket? Yeah, my girlfriend bought it.
Mm-hmm.
Stuff like that.
Alright, we're not going grocery shopping today.
Put the camera on.
Please don't.
No, I got something to tell you. I remember when I told them.
Don't say it. I'm trying to see. We need some noodles for this pasta I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna get
I
this.
remember when I told y'all my stomach has the bubbles.
Y'all, why is he? You don't need these. That's nasty. Put them back. You're just picking up stuff. You got all these food roll-ups.
Alright, well, I'm gonna put these back. Let's go to the freezer aisle.
Freezer? Oh my gosh. You eat so unhealthy. Get 2 of those. No, the big one. The big can. Or, no, honey, baby. Thank you.
The same thing.
Yeah, but why did you reach all the way to the top?
Show the camera I got hype.
Can you please just grab the sauce? Just grab it. Are you serious? Bro. I can't take him out the house. You're trying to be cute for the camera. You need to focus. Oh my god. Alright, almost fell over. You walking a little bit faster, my guy. We got all those stuff. But we still can't find the whipping cream. I'm in my favorite store, Target. We're getting in the room. I'm gonna get another sponge. This one's kind of cute. Let me see. These are almost sale too. Oh my. Oops. I have to get a big. I hate how this basket sounds. Oh my god. I'm getting a bin so I could put my Christmas stuff away. I'm going through it. Oh my god, please. The card. Oh my gosh, they have Valentine's out. This stuff is so cute. I don't know why y'all zoomed in like that, but I will be coming back here maybe next week to pick up. So, like, look how cute. Pretty sandwich bacon cut. Oh my god. Y'all, why do I want to buy stuff already for Valentine's? It's not even nearly close, but I will be back. Oh my god, Cupid arrow. Oh, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna end up getting this. Oh my gosh, I want it all. I want it all. Look how cute. Now, back to the regular scheduled programming. We need to get some this. Okay, we're gonna grab one of these. Ew, not lemon. I don't like that. Alright. Okay, y'all, I'm really sticking to the list because I really could have. I got a problem with Target, for real. I'm gonna just get one of these because I need a new filter for my Brita. And that's all we're gonna get. I just need cleaning supplies. But I will be back to shop for Valentine's Day. So y'all better stay tuned. Because I'm about ready to decorate. I was gonna keep my little Christmas decorations up for a second. But then I seen that. Baby, please. Alright, this is everything. And this is actually Christmas, but it's Christmas, but because Valentine's Day is coming up, it's gonna work because it's bread. You know what I mean? So now we're done, for real. Yeah, I had to pick up a pizza. I'm starving. But this Target got a Pizza Hut in it. What Target you know got a Pizza Hut in it?
The next day.
Hey y'all, we're about to run some errands. I need to go grocery shopping real bad. But we're gonna start off at some other stores because I kind of want to see what the Valentine's stuff was giving. Because when I went to Target the other day, baby, they had a whole section. So I said, I guess it ain't too early. So anyways, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. Let's just see what the stores got. Let's just see what they're giving, okay? See what the dollar store talking about. These little party favorite things. Those are cute. It's not nothing really catching my eye though. And I have some of these little table placement things already I can use. This is cute. Let look room. This is cute. Filled with the love. I think that's cute. They also have these. I had one of these last year. And I want to low-key get that one. I'm gonna just low-key get that one. I can't reach the other one. Is this kind of cute? It's kind of cute. I don't know. Be mine. Is it cute or no? I kind of want something like. Oops, never mind. I don't see that else. I think I'm gonna get this one too. That's cute. Baby, not me in Target. I'm gonna get. Ooh. Cute. These are so cute. I'm gonna have to get one of these. Ooh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's like Target was trying to give me copyright. All these songs they're playing. They got these cute waffle makers, but I got one already. And I'm gonna come back because I definitely want to get some of this, but I don't want to get this yet. But I'm gonna probably have to try them funfettis. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. It looks so good. These are so cute too. That's so cute. I'm gonna link stuff in my Target storefront in the description. This stuff is so cute. And I see something at another location that they don't have here. So I'm gonna have to go to another store another day. Alright, I'm gonna just get these two things. Ooh, these is probably good. Oh my god. I don't need nothing else. I'm gonna go to the grocery store after this though. Hey y'all. So I'm leaving Target. We're about to go. Why is the camera zooming in and out, girl? We're leaving Target and we didn't really get nothing for real. I just got some cereal. I ended up getting cereal and then two things from my little hot cocoa bar. Now we're gonna go to Aldi, and then after Aldi we're gonna go to Kroger. We're gonna go to Kroger, okay? Alright, first thing we're gonna get is some lemons. Let me see which ones look best. Maybe these. Yeah. I need some blueberries. Alright, I need some avocados. They're usually very hard when I get them. I'm getting some, well, one cucumber. I got some romaine. I'm gonna get some kale as well. I don't know which one I want. Bagels. Need some bread. Okay. We got bread, bagels, lettuce. What else? Now I'm over here trying to get a cute little angle and stuff. Baby, why did the camera decide Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall? Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
I'm
fucked
sorry,
up.
Bookie, stand up. Stop falling. I'm trying to get a cute little angle. Y'all fell over, but anyway. These eggs are good. We need some milk. Original, unsweetened. Ooh, baby, no. Hold on. They ain't got none. Baby, why would I want unsweetened? They got one, but it's just sitting there, so you know you ain't supposed to grab that because somebody probably had that sitting there for 18 hours. But I think I'm going to, I don't know. Dang. Y'all be getting that much butter? Oh my god. Lemon seeds, baby. I just need one. We just need one. We just need one. Let's grab these or I don't even know cranberry. I'm gonna get this. Oh god, they don't have this big old thing of oatmeal. I just want something like this, but that's the only thing they have, and I want to do some overnight oats. We're gonna probably meal prep. I'm gonna put some ham. Let me check the date on her. Okay. And some of these. Baby. Y'all ain't know. All these, oh, but hold on. Oh, you know what? I'm trying to tell y'all, all these guys Celsius on sale for $1.99. I'm gonna get 2. Girl, I almost used the wrong door. Oh my god. This one, and I'm trying to find some broccoli. Boom. Alright y'all, so we ended up at Kroger next. Child, I found the Chick-fil-A salad dressing, and if you have not tried this one yet, it is so good. Every time I get a salad from Chick-fil-A, I get this avocado ranch. I'm also getting some turkey bacon. I'm trying to be healthy, y'all. I've been eating turkey bacon for a couple months now. I really like it, to be honest. I used to just not eat turkey bacon, but I know it's healthier for you, so I've been trying to do that. And I'm also getting some of these Olippops as well. These are really good. I don't always get these, but I have recently started getting some of these. I really like the fruit punch one. Those are really good. And I was about to get that lemon one, but I was like, it might taste like Sprite, kind of. I don't know. But there's a root beer float one. It tastes so good. Finally found my milk, because I was like, baby, why do all of these have no sugar, unsweetened? I was like, ooh, put it back. What is this? Baby, where is the milk? Where's the milk? Where is it? I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, it was taking me a minute. I was like, oh my God. And at this point, it's one thing about me. Whenever I go shopping, I don't know why. I be in the store for 50 billion hours. I can't be the only person like this. Oops. Please comment and let me know if you're the same way. When I go to a store, baby, I go to the store. If this is an all-day event, for real. Like, oh my gosh, no, for real. But yeah, I got some, girl, you can see what I'm getting, baby. I'm getting some pancake mix, and we also got some steak, because I wanted to do steak, potatoes, and broccoli. All right, y'all, this is everything. So I laid everything out on the table, and as you can see, like I said, we were at the store all freaking day. But this should be enough to hold me over or whatever, okay? This is a little haul, and we're going to restock it later. Y'all, I found a Target with all the goods. Look how cute this stuff is. I made something like this on Canva before, but oh, girl, they don't even let you open it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this stuff. Lunch day shopping, dessert, mani-pedi, cow's night. This is cute for like a little thing to put in a bag for a girl's night. Notebook sets. And I love these. I'm gonna have to get some of these. Self-care elixir. We got a love potion. Then we also got a Cupid spell. These are so cute. These are just so cute. I'm trying to decide if I want all 3. They're so cute. They also have these super cute mugs. This one says hugs and kisses with a cute little heart. And this one says I'm donuts for you. That is so cute. Alright, this Target must just have everything, because they have these cute little plastic bowls. These are only $5. I don't know what you're going to use these for, but these are so cute. And popcorn makers. A little clapboard. I have one of these for acting already, so I don't really need that, but this stuff is... Look how cute this stuff is. Oh my gosh. They even got really cute pillows, like, and blankets. So cute. Y'all, I'm at the good Target. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Heart-shaped marshmallows. Yeah. And look how cute these are. Oh my God, my camera's gonna go dead. Please don't. I gotta get this. This is so cute. I fall in love with you. They have the rest of these cute little figures. These are the cutest things ever. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add stuff like to my Target storefront. If y'all wanna buy, y'all, this is such a cute little cake stand. I don't need this though, but this would be cute to go on my little hot cocoa. Y'all, why did I end up in Walmart? And why they got all this cute stuff? I'm having a field day. I want to go shopping for Valentine's at this point. This is so cute. Y'all, I'm tired of playing games with my camera, but look at all this cute stuff in Walmart. I never even knew Walmart was snapped like this. They got the cute little candle lights. These are the cutest. And then they have pictures. It literally says, when you have love, when you, baby, what? When you love what you have everything you need. I freaking love this. So cute. Little cute containers. I think I might get one of these. It says, I love you so much. I don't need nothing else though. I think I am gonna get one of these, maybe for the hot cocoa bar. This says love lives here. And they also have one that says hello. I have these cute little ones. I'm getting so many ideas. Look how cute this is. I want this. I don't need this though, but it's so cute for like a table, like a coffee table or something. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. They have all of this stuff, cute little cups. I hope this music don't give me no copyright. Hold on. And here's the why y'all so zoomed in? Goodness gracious. I really want this, but it seems like it's too complicated though. Like, how am I gonna put this together? Somebody gonna have to come over and help me with this, because I could just get this other one that says Happy Valentine's Day. But this is specifically for Valentine's party, and it could be a cute little thing we take pictures in front of, so I don't know. Y'all, I just love this fireplace. It is just, now that I got the one on the TV, I'm screaming. We're about to decorate this for Valentine's Day, so I changed the color to red. I think I'm gonna do, ooh, that looks kind of cute. Maybe we do like that. That's cute. And then we're gonna put some stuff on the top of there. But Valentine's Day, I'm about to turn off this sound because the fireplace on the TV is just a little much. Hold on. I'm about to start by decorating my fireplace. And I got a bunch of little stuff. This is a cute little flower there. This company sent this to me. It is so cute. I'm gonna put this in the middle, and then I'm gonna kind of like put the rest of the stuff on the opposite sides of it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put something like over here, and then here, and probably like some rose petals or something. All right, y'all, I have this cute little pink sign that says XOXO, and funny thing is, me and my boyfriend, we actually painted this last year, so now I get to use it for our little thing. Found these at Target. I have 3 of these. Each one says something different if it'll focus. But this one literally matches this perfectly. So I'm going to put this on the left-hand side. Right over there. Alright, y'all. Next is this super cute Eiffel Tower. It says Eiffel in love with you. So cute, right? Okay. We're going to put this right over there. Boom. And then we're going to put rose petals literally all over it. Couple more things. I have these other little jar thingies. I'm gonna put these inside the fireplace, like on the shelves. And yeah, some like petals and some other stuff. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to adjust the tripod, child. I'm gonna put this one here. Oh, I'm gonna put, ooh, that looks cute. And we're gonna put this camera like down at the bottom. Let's scoot it up a little, right? And let's put some rose petals. That's not, it sprayed a little too much. I'm gonna just put them like that. Boom. Okay, for this one, we're gonna put this over here. And then we're gonna put my new Polaroid camera down at the bottom. And then we're gonna put some rose petals. Boom. Cute. How cute is that? And then I'm debating, like, should we put, hold on, let me raise y'all up. Girl, this tripod, oh my god, that's actually so cute. I love this. Okay, we have some pictures. I'm finna show y'all. Y'all, look at the final product. It looks so good. I absolutely love it. And I can change the, like the fireplace on here to different ones. Yeah, stop playing with her. Stop playing. Okay, y'all, we have this really cute sign. It says, "You hold the key to my heart." I think I'm gonna hang this up right over there in the corner, right? I feel like, oh, y'all are tilted, baby. Hold on. Over here, right? That'd be cute. That's so cute. It looks so cute. Okay, we have one more sign left over here, but I don't know what to do with it, so it might not get used. I don't really know. It just says, "Follow your heart." And I don't know where she's gonna go. So I don't know, but we need to do the hot cocoa bar. All right, y'all, now I'm about to set up my little hot cocoa bar. I have this sign right here, and I'm gonna put this little tray, but I have to get this little sticky thing off of it first. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna put this here. Boom. And then inside of it, I'm gonna put some hot chocolate. So I'm gonna put these cute little containers that one. I also need to fill up this one with, y'all, I found these marshmallows at Target. Well, clearly y'all saw me shopping for them, but they were so cute. And I just tasted these, and baby, they taste really good. So, with that being said, yeah, we're about to just kind of fill this up a little bit.
You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the number just
Look how cute it is. These are gonna go inside. I'll put those inside of there, and then on the side here, I'm gonna put a little candle. I could probably turn it around because it's bad virus. And then we have this cute little love lives here sign. Boom. But you know what? I think that distracts it. Maybe it's just, I don't know. What do we do like this? Huh? Okay, I got these super cute pretzels, right? Chocolate covered pretzels, and we're gonna take these and put those inside this little mug. Yeah. About to open these up. Put these in there. Now, I had some of these. Oh, see, are they broken? Let me see. I had some of these for Christmas. My boyfriend ate them, and I didn't even get a chance to eat them. I just had them for decoration, but I'm pretty sure they taste really good. Because I had some of these for Halloween also, and they were really good. So these are just little chocolate stars. So cute. So cute. One more. Boom. There we go. Okay, it's coming together. Now we're going to add one more thing on here. And it's going to be this plate. This cute little plate, right? Now, I wanted to put something on it, but girl, it's just going to be the plate, okay? Because I had these stencils that I used last year. They said, "I love you." But girl, I can't find the hearts. So, with that being said, it is what it is. It's just going to be a heart. Let me show you what it looks like. This is so cute, though, even though I don't have this. And I also have this chocolate drink bomb. Hot chocolate bomb or whatever. But I feel like it don't really go nowhere. So I'll probably just use it when I'm... Oh! You know what? I could have put it there, but I don't know. Alright, y'all. This is the final product. It's so cute. I'm debating if I want to flip that candle around so that you can't see it's a candle. I don't know. But it's still cute, though. Yeah. Oh, if it will focus. I think it does look better flipped around, actually. So here it is. That's all my little decorations. Minus, I have one more picture, but I don't know if we're gonna use it, so I don't know. Okay, I also have these oven. You know, these, okay? And I'm about to put these on the oven. I don't know why I can't figure out what these are. Towels. I'm gonna just place these on here. Boom. Cute. Okay, wait. Let me even it out. Because sometimes you gotta just let Target tell you what you need. Why not just found these laundry labels? Hold on. Focus. Look how cute these are. So y'all know, well maybe you don't know, but my laundry stuff is so organized. Like I have the little bins. Now I can put the labels on them. Because I already had the stuff with the fabric softener and stuff, but now I have all of them. These are only $1. They sell those on Amazon. They sell those on Amazon for way more. And then, I don't think I'm gonna get this, but it's only $5. You can put your little bins, your little, what's it called? They have bags in here. They have so many of these. I might have to come back and get these when I have my little valentines, because these are so cute. They're like little champagne glasses, but they're in the shape of a heart. Little cheap ones. And I just said to myself I need a new perfume organizer. Like, well, this can't be one, but this could, low-key. Or do I just wait? I don't know. Maybe we wait. It's only $5 off. They got all the stuff to organize your life. These are like so that your sheets are not like all over the place. Girl, I don't need none of this for real. I don't. But I think I'm gonna wait on this stuff because I want to reorganize my pantry, like not my pantry, my cabinets. But I want to go to TJ Maxx or something to get these. Oh my gosh, look how cute their activewear is. Yo, wait, these are actually so cute though. This little sports bra, so cute. And I think they have like, let's try some stuff on. Ooh, let's see what pants, bruh, they're literally sold out everywhere. This is actually cute. Look. Boom. Oh. How cute is this? These pants are actually, these are, they're extra large. And they fit. They're a little big though. Oh my gosh. It gives Pilates princess. Like, one piece moment. Cute. Look at the back. Oh my gosh. The back is so cute. This is cute. For like running errands. Purple. The fabric on here is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been in the store too long. I didn't even show y'all me shopping. That's how you know I've been here too long. But I got stuff to make s'mores, some juice for smoothies, and some other stuff. And then the little stuff is down there. Okay, y'all, I'm about to clean off these fresh berries. And I'm trying the baking soda with the vinegar. Oh, So, I did this last night and it turned out, I don't know. So let's try this again. Let's see what happens if we put a little bit in both. I'm not gonna put too much this time. Boom. Let's add a little bit of vinegar. And we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and see what it does, because it should be dirty. I just got these strawberries. And what I hate about fruit is that it be good, but like it only lasts, it don't last long. Like why is it that literally the day that you get your berries, you gotta use them or like prep them to put them away properly, because I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I let the berries sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when I tell you this stuff was dirty, you cannot tell from this video. But when I poured the water out, because I poured it, like the remaining water into like another little thing so I could see how dirty it was, I literally saw dirt. I was like, ooh, you know. So we're going to be cutting up these strawberries. I'm cutting off the ends, and then I'm also going to cut them down the middle because I do want to do some meal prepping. Yeah, come back to the next video because I got these cute little jars off of Amazon. They come with like a little spoon, and I'm going to be making like little fruit salads, regular salads, maybe some overnight oats and stuff like that. But I also decided to do this with the grapes as well because I was like, okay, well, what's gonna happen if I do this to the grapes? And baby, when I tell you those grapes came out shining and shimmering, you would have, you know how when you get your shoes waxed? Yeah, that's what it gave. But anyways, I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna let y'all watch this cute little, you know, grocery restock. Let's get them all in the fridge.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Take a home when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find the home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad.
It's something about fridge organization that just makes me happy. Oh my gosh. But y'all, that is the end for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And come back for the next video. I'll see you later. Bye.
Now the feelings ain't mutual. You let